Looking forward to it, Pat. Now, it's one of the biggest challenges facing the COVID-19 vaccine rollout, reaching underserved communities. Now, here's a breakdown of who's gotten the vaccine in Florida so far. More than 1.2 million, or about 5.8% of all white people in the state, have gotten the vaccine. Meanwhile, just 97,000 African Americans in the state have gotten the shot. That's just 2.8% of the black community. NBC2's Gage Goulding is explaining a program in Lee County that is trying to close that gap.
This morning, people lined up.
Why don't you have a seat, sir?
Chairs for each of the 250 people already in place. And even ice-cold water on tap as they waited their turn
44,
for their number to be called.
45.
I think it's huge.
In Dunbar, a sign of hope is a syringe filled with fuel to fight COVID-19.
Well, it's a blessing from God to have this done.
I'm happy that I can get my COVID one, the first one I needed.
Mount Hermon Ministries was given the thumbs up from the state. It's the first community-based vaccination center in the Fort Myers area. Their target, the black community. The latest state health data shows that for every 100 vaccinations given, only 5 are going into black arms. That makes this clinic even more important. The community showed up, lining up quite literally around the block to get their shot.
It shows that it isn't fear, it is a lack of access and some systemic problems as far as the distribution of the vaccination.
Many people I talked with said they don't have the technology to book online or the means of transportation to get to the county's airport site. Some feel this outreach by the state, local health department, and church shows they're cared for.
The virus is not prejudice. The virus is hidden all around.
The goal is to have more clinics just like this one. Reverend Glover saying he just doesn't know when that next one will be. In Fort Myers, Gage Goulding, NBC2.